Welcome to Pick of the Week from Power Semiconductors Weekly. Top industry stories this week. GlobalFoundries and Renesas expanded their strategic relationship into a multi-billion-dollar manufacturing partnership to strengthen resilient, secure supply for automotive and industrial markets. Renesas gains broader access to GlobalFoundries platforms. Initial manufacturing starts in the US, extends across GlobalFoundries' global footprint with tape-outs targeted mid-2026. Wolfspeed appointed Stefan Sterl as Vice President Sales EMEA effective 1st of March 2026 to lead regional sales and accelerate silicon carbide adoption across automotive, industrial, and energy markets. Sterl brings more than 25 years of semiconductor sales leadership, most recently as Allegro Microsystems Vice President of Sales EMEA, and previously held senior roles at Analog Devices with global revenue responsibility exceeding $750 million. The move supports Wolfspeed's growth focus in EVs, renewable, and AI data centers. Infineon Technologies plans to extend the contracts of CEO Jochen Hannebeck and CFO Dr. Sven Schneider, ahead of schedule, signaling leadership continuity and long-term strategic stability. Hannebeck would be extended through March 2032 and Schneider through April 2032, versus current expirations in 2027, with a supervisory board resolution expected in May. Management reiterated focus on profitable growth and key opportunities like AI and software-defined vehicles. Micro Commercial Components introduced its Generation 4 silicon carbide Schottky diode series, a 650-volt and 1200-volt family designed to raise efficiency and thermal performance in high-voltage rectification. Offered in D-Pack, D-Square-Pack, and 2-20 AC, the diodes deliver negligible reverse recovery and a low forward drop, typically lower than 1.65 volt at rated current, cutting switching and conduction losses for higher frequency, higher power density designs in industrial, automotive, and energy infrastructure. We'll be back next week. Meanwhile, get your daily updates at powersemiconductorsweekly.com.